Thank you for visiting us today at LEDoutfitters.com. I want to do a quick close-up video of our 37-inch Enforcer LED light bar. It consists of 6 LED modules in the front with 6 LEDs in every single module. It has an end cap with 4 LED modules in there. This is a 37-inch version. It has it's the gutter mount version. Mounting feet are adjustable wherever you need to mount it on your vehicle. Again, almost 2.5 inches, not even an inch thick, almost 2.5 inches off the ground with the mounting feet. It utilizes Generation 5 5-watt LEDs. It has takedowns, it has alleys, it has a traffic advisor in the back. It's available in multiple different color combinations. Just wanted to do a quick close-up video so you guys can see exactly what you'll be getting when you order the light bar. Again, there's tons of pictures on the website, but I guess if you do a close-up video, you'll get a better view of the light bar. I just want to turn it on here for you guys so you guys can see exactly some of the flash patterns that it comes with and some of the different features that it has. So bear with me. You got a blue light bar over here, and if you need to activate the traffic advisor in the back, there's another color combination wire that you add, and it just switches over to activates the traffic advisor. Questions, comments? Love hearing from you guys. Speak to you soon.